Waterfalls, northern Queensland. One of the best dive sites in the Great Barrier Reef, and home to an amazing rainforest with thousands of waterfalls. Just one problem.
I hate the summer, but I love the constant winter rain obviously means that the waterfall got so much water coming through it that can't go in. Instead, it's getting covered in leeches. They're everywhere.
Does this place look familiar?
Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you.
The place looked pretty different from when Pete was there. Going behind the falls and tried to go under. Massive mistake. The water just held me down, threw me around like I was in a washing machine. And finally, after about a minute, it let me go. Watch your bottom right.
Gotta give up the fight. I need your love, sent it from above. There's a big natural slide just behind me, but as you can see, with the amount of water that's coming down, it's just not possible to get on it. Come in the rainforest, what do you expect?